Hi, welcome to this week's video. Great to have you. It is one pair of black jeans and 6 ways to style. My favorite denim is, of course, stretch denim. So I'm wearing good American, good legs jeans, and I love the fact that they give you some stretch, but they also have some cinching capabilities in the torso and waist and the legs, and whether it's a skinny leg, a flare, or whatever you prefer, is a wardrobe staple. It is perfect for fall and winter, and let me tell you what, it can go with anything and everything that you have in your closet. I want you to take the limitations off of how you feel you need to wear your black jeans. You are not stuck in all black from head to toe. You can definitely break things up and make things more interesting. And I also wanted to be very mindful of the fact that we are all in different phases in our lives in terms of what we can and cannot do. Some of us are still in an office setting, some are not. Some are a little bit more able to go out. Restaurants are open, have dinners, have a little bit of a social life, some are not. So I really wanted to be mindful of the variety that I'm bringing you to be able to accommodate all lifestyles at the moment, because I don't want us to lose sight of us putting ourselves together and finding joy in the process. Even if we're the only ones who are going to see ourselves that day, I think that matters. Let's give it a try. There was a pile of clothing here not that long ago. Okay, so let's get into it. The first look is something that's really going to combine a couple of trends. The first idea is a patterned coat or jacket. In this case, it's an animal print. Love the neutral tones, kind of the khaki green in here. There are a lot of variations of animal print. But again, it's a big, big trend. When you pair it with the black jean, it's modern. It can be dressed up or dressed down depending on your shoe choice, whether you have a bootie on. So I'm starting with a bootie and I'm wearing kind of a vintage AC/DC t-shirt underneath, a soft kind of leather bumming around town handbag. But now let me step aside and show you another way to do this. You put on a dressier top. You pop on a pair of heels with your black jeans. You add a clutch, and now you have great versatility with this. You can keep the top underneath nice and black. This way you have an elongating look with the black top and the black jeans and the black shoes. So when the jacket opens, it's very lengthening. But again, you can take this animal print jacket, wear it one of 2 ways, casual or dressy, and I just love the options and versatility that come with something like this. Okay, so my next look is something super casual, kind of girl about town. You want to get some errands run, but you want to have some style points at the same time. Maybe you have an opportunity to hook up with a girlfriend for some coffee or whatever, and you just want to take your black jeans and give it a little uptick, right? But be very comfortable and casual. To me, there is nothing more youthful and just adorable than a large, chunky, oversized sweater with a pair of black jeans. It's youthful. It's an easy out-the-door look you can wear with your favorite sneakers. It dresses you up enough so you feel kind of put together, but it gives you the comfort that you're looking for. And you can really dress this up if you pair it with a stylish belt. You add on some light layered jewelry that plays off of the finish of the belt. If it's got a gold finish, do gold, silver, do silver. You can add in some sunglasses that have the same metal finish, but it makes it super snazzy, even though it's extraordinarily casual and very comfortable. So this is something that you could wear all day if you just needed to bum around, but you wanted to feel good about yourself and feel trendy and on point while doing so. Look number 3 combines some mixed textures and mixed mediums. So the jeans are denim. So why not add a denim jacket? It really looks best when that denim is a lighter color because you get some contrast. I love this. It's a old, beat up, faded, torn denim jacket, and I'm just wearing it with a kind of off black light t-shirt underneath, but even this t-shirt has some cute ruffle detail on the shoulder, so when I do decide to take off the jacket and tie it around the waist, there's something else and that's interesting to be able to look at. With some walking shoes, you know, dressy sneakers, there's so many that are out there these days, and a neat pair of sunglasses or not, or an oversized bag or not. It's really endless as to what you can do with something like this. So I like more of the sneaker look with the denim jacket. But let me give you another option. If you don't have a denim jacket, or maybe not a light enough colored one, pop in a fleece jacket. Fleece jackets are super, super stylish. They are so comfortable and soft and fluffy. And again, I like contrast. So with that kind of soft shape, soft fluff of the fleece, I like now wearing this outfit with a pair of combat boots. That's a little bit harder and a little bit more edgy. So again, there's some contrast from top to bottom. It makes it more interesting. Everything else is the same jeans, same t-shirt underneath. But I just want to give you some options when it comes to jackets. I think sometimes we get so caught up with everything having to be monochromatic or, you know, in the same texture field or family. And I want you just to know that black jeans can be worn with anything, with any color. So go for it. Find your old denim jacket, find a nice soft fleece jacket, and enjoy how that wears. Next up, one of my absolute favorites. To me, there is nothing more stunning than black and white. But of course, adding a leather moto jacket to the mix, again, plays into that contrast, because when you look at this white shirt and it's got this really soft, silky, ruffled detail to it, it's so feminine. And then you add on top this padded shoulder, kind of edgy, modern, boyish type of a jacket. Those contrasts are just so neat. And I played off of the zippers on the black leather jacket, so that really dictated going with a silver belt buckle and with a pair of high heels. I prefer, you know, if the denim is sort of a matte finish denim, it has no shine to it, then I like a matte finish, kind of a suede heel to go with that. So those textures are similar because it creates length in the leg. You add some really neat, elegant black shades. It can take you from the office out to dinner. It's a great transitional outfit from day to night, and it's just interesting because you're contrasting it with textures, fabrics, and types of styles. So to me, this is one of my absolute favorites. I love it. Look number 5. Look number 5. This is so outside the box, but you know what? You know I have to throw something in there that is. If you're edgy enough and willing to go there, this is something that I think you can do. If you have a pair of white booties, then don't be afraid to mix them and match them with your black jeans. What I love about this is the white t-shirt underneath picks up the white booty. I've got this big oversized kind of man blazer in a checkered print, like a houndstooth. I tied a scarf with it for a little bit more feminine detail. You can add glasses with this. I took a white purse and used the purse to play off of the shoes that I'm wearing. I'm wearing my eyeglasses because it has almost a studious look. You know, it just throws the eye. There are so many different things here that you can't quite figure out, well, what one look is this? And I don't want it to be what one look. It's very street chic, and it's just something that really breaks some of the rules, but I'm one of those who likes to do that. And I think that you can definitely do the white booty in the winter, and it's just how you play it up and what you mix it with that makes it a very unusual type of a statement outfit. Okay, so there are my ways of styling black jeans. There are many, many more. Sky's the limit. I don't want you to feel like you're stuck in all black. Don't be afraid to pair a neutral. You can do a tan colored sweater and a tan booty with it. That's another great look. Also, don't shy away from bold, like a fuchsia jacket or a bright yellow sweater with black jeans and some black booties is a super cool and adorable look. So all of your brights will go with it. Your nudes and your neutrals will go with it. Just get in there and have fun with what you have. I bet you anything you have a pair of black jeans. If you don't, get yourself a good pair of black stretchy jeans. Give yourself some stretch so you can cut your midriff a break and you can enjoy your meals and not feel like you're pinched so tight that you are about ready to suffocate. Lay some of your ideas out below if you would like to see anything from me in future videos. I always say, you know, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media, but also share me. If you enjoy what you see here, let your mother know, let your sister, your girlfriends. I would love to have them part of this community too. So I'd really appreciate if you would do that, and we can grow it and more people can get in on the, you know, different ways of wearing black jeans. And if you like what you're seeing, also click that thumbs up. I'd appreciate that as well. Go out, be bold, be blessed, and I'll see you next Thursday at 1 o'clock. Bye.